Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fifth and the sixth question from exercise 10.2. Prove that the perpendicular at a point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. So first let's draw a diagram to represent our situation and then let's work on the proof. So first I'm going to draw a circle and draw a tangent to that circle at a particular point and drop the radius from the center O. So I'm going to mark the tangent as AB and the point of contact as P. I'm also going to draw a hypothetical line like that, which is going to be PX. So now let's list what is given to us and how we are going to prove it. So what is given to us is AB is tangent to circle at P. So this is a point of contact that we have given. O is going to be the center of the circle. So O is center of circle. Now that this is listed to us, so we are going to prove that Px passes through O. That is what we need to prove. So let's see how to go about that. In proof, first we know that OP is perpendicular to AB because tangent is perpendicular to the radius at point of contact. Okay, so tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So we say that OP is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, angle OPB will be equal to 90 degrees. Let's mark it and keep it aside. So now let us also assume XP is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so let's assume that XP is going to be perpendicular to AB. So this means angle XPB is also going to be equal to 90 degree. I'm marking this particular statement with equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, what do we know? Angle OPB will be equal to angle XPB, which will be equal to 90 degree because that's how we derived. So this is are going to be derived from 1 and 2. This is possible only if XP lies on OP, because this can also be perpendicular and both are perpendicular, then the possibility is this line XP has to lie in the line OP. Therefore, PX passes through O. So that is what we wanted to prove. So we can wind off and say hence proved. Let's move on to question number 6. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. So let's draw and check out the numbers. Once we know that, we will be able to derive the answer very easily. So I'm drawing a circle and the length of a tangent from a point A at the distance of 5 centimeter from the circle. So this distance is going to be given as 5 centimeter and the length of the tangents from point A is marked as 4 centimeter. So I'm marking this as A, I'm marking the center as this, the point of contact as B. They're asking us what is the radius of the circle. So essentially they're asking what is OB. We know that OB is going to be perpendicular to AB because tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. So if I mark the radius as R, then R square plus AB square should be equal to OA square. So R square is equal to OA square minus AB square, which is 5 square minus 4 square, the Pythagoras triplet. So this is equal to 3 square. So R square is equal to 3 square, which means R is equal to 3 centimeters. In the next video, we will see how to solve the seventh question in exercise 10.2. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.